Dan has just found Reddit archive intelligence on GitHub. He is excited to try the new app. This is his story. Like many modern humans, Dan has discovered a promising open-source project and is only moments away from making installation much harder than necessary. But today, nature intervenes. AOHF-install.md has appeared. The document is not written for Dan. It is written for the machine standing beside him, calm, capable, and only mildly disappointed in the species. The AI begins with a polite but necessary instruction. Our installer now enters the habitat, creating a fresh local directory and placing the application into a single folder named Rye, where it will be allowed to develop in peace. It first checks PHP. This is the software equivalent of making sure there's oxygen before attempting civilization. The AI verifies the essential organs are present. Dan, who would normally skip this and hope for the best, watches with increasing respect. Next, the creature prepares its nesting materials: logs, cache, imports, metadata, uploads. Everything the app requires, and nothing that would encourage a human to improvise. The AI starts the local PHP server. If port 8080 is already occupied, it simply uses another port rather than panicking and proposing Kubernetes. And there it is, the login page, a functioning organism. Dan is already farther than many weekend side projects ever get. The default password is used briefly as nature intended, not as a lifestyle, but as a bridge to better decisions. The app is alive. Dan resists the urge to click random things immediately. The AI, sensing this, moves directly to settings before chaos can spread. The AI now asks one of the few questions Dan can safely answer: what should the new password be? Dan supplies Wild Kingdom Pass 001, a phrase that suggests both drama and poor OPSEC, but will suffice for the demonstration. Next comes AI configuration. For today's migration, the answer is no. Even the machine agrees there is such a thing as enough AI for one afternoon. To confirm the ritual is complete, the AI logs out and returns using the new password. The system accepts this without complaint, which is more than can be said for many enterprise products. The final question is whether Dan wants to import a Reddit export immediately. For this run, he declines. The app does not take this personally. The installation is now complete. The password has been updated, and the optional systems remain politely optional. The machine delivers its report. The app is running locally. AI is disabled and can be configured later. No Reddit export has been imported yet, but the archive can be requested at reddit.com and imported when ready. And so, in a rare and beautiful event in the wild kingdom of code, a human has acquired new software without derailing the ecosystem. Dan is unharmed, the app is installed, the machine has carried the day.